Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to share a folder on Google Drive. So first you just have to open your Google Drive, and to create a folder or to add a folder, all you have to do is to simply right click and then tap new folder, create a new folder. You can add any file name you want, tap create, and this is what it looks like. So let's just say you wanted to add or upload a file here. You just have to right click and then upload a file, and this is what it looks like. This file is from my computer. And to change or adjust the setting, what you're going to do is to tap this three dots, scroll down, click share, tap share again, and then you can see below this general access here. Tap this restricted. If you want to change this, you can tap this anyone with the link. So restricted, it's only you or those people you allowed to have access or to open the file will be given the link or will be allowed to open the link. So if you want to share this to anyone, you just have to click this general access, and it's up to you if it's viewer, commenter, or editor. So tap editor if you want, and then click done. Now you can copy the link and then share it wherever you wish. So as you can see, you have added or you have created a folder here, and you have added a file. And then you just have to simply tap this three dots and then copy link and then paste this or share this to anyone you wish. So that's how easy it is to share a folder on Google Drive. So if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to suggest any topic, please do comment down below. And see you again in our next video tutorials.